Find the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 0.060 meters, carrying a net charge of 20. Find the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 0.060 meters, carrying a net charge of 6.0 microcoulomb. No, Wesley girls. No. The right answer is 1.5 by 10⁻⁷ volts per meter or Newton per meter. Mfantsiman. Find the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 0.5. I think the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 0.50 meters is 720 volts per meter. Find the magnitude of the net charge on the sphere. Bonus. Times up. The right answer is 2.0 by 10⁻⁸. Wesley girls. Find the magnitude of the electric field on the surface of a conducting sphere of radius 0.40 meters. Carrying the net charge 4.8 nanocoulomb. Go on.
2.7 times 10⁻⁷ volts per meter.
You're right. Next set of questions, 30 seconds. And they come to the preamble. The acceleration A in meters per second square of a particle is given by A equals 3t squared plus 2t plus 2, where t is the time. If the particle starts out with a velocity u equals 4 meters per second at time t equals 0, then find the velocity at time t equals preamble again. The acceleration A in meters per second square of a particle is given by A equals 3t squared plus 2t plus 2, where t is the time. If the particle starts out with a velocity u equals 4 meters per second at t equals 0, then find the velocity at time t equals Abetifi, t equals 2.0 seconds. You are right. Mfantsiman, t equals 1.5 seconds. For a bonus, time's up. The answer is 30 meters per second. Wesley girls, t equals 3.0 seconds. Go on.
46 meters per second.
You're right. Next set of questions. 30 seconds, and it comes with a preamble. First one, preamble. Find the value of A and B given that. Preamble again. Find the value of A and B given that. Abetifi. The polynomial 8x cubed plus 4ax squared plus bx plus 12 is exactly divisible by x squared minus 9. Go on.
A is equal to now A will be equal to 7 and B is equal to
For bonus. So, the right answer. A is minus 1/3 and B is negative 72. Mfantsiman. The polynomial 4x cubed plus ax squared plus 6bx plus 12 is exactly divisible by x squared minus 4. The bonus. The right answer. A is negative 3 and B is negative 8/3. Wesley girls. The polynomial 9ax squared plus 3bx plus 6 is exactly divisible by 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 and A plus B is equal to 8. No, please, for a bonus. The right answer. A equals 1 and B equals 7. Next set of questions. And it comes with a preamble. Preamble. Find the sum of the coefficients of the first 3 terms in ascending powers of x of the expansion of the following binomial and give your answer in 2 significant figures. Find the sum of the coefficients of the first 3 terms in ascending powers of x of the expansion of the following polynomial and give your answer in 2 significant figures. Abetifi. And especially brackets 1 plus 0.3x, all that to the power 10. Go on.
8.1.
You're right. Mfantsiman. And especially brackets 1 plus 0.2x, all that to the power 11. Go on.
5.2.
No, please, for a bonus.
5.4.
You're right. Wesley girls. And especially brackets 1 plus 0.1x, all that to the power 12. Go on.
2.9.
You're right. Next set of questions. 10 seconds each, and it comes with a preamble. Preamble. State whether the following processes are examples of positive or negative feedback mechanisms. State whether the following processes are examples of positive or negative feedback mechanisms. Abetifi. Release of oxytocin during labor from the posterior pituitary gland. Go on.
Positive feedback.
You're right. Mfantsiman. Glucagon raises blood glucose when levels are low.
Negative feedback.
You're right. Wesley girls. Antidiuretic hormone is secreted to retain water when there is dehydration. You're right. Next one, and it comes with a preamble. 10 seconds also. Give the function of the following mouth parts of a grasshopper. Give the function of the following mouth parts of a grasshopper. Abetifi. Mandible. You speak loud.
For mastication.
Okay, I'll give that to you. Mfantsiman. Labu. Labu. You're right. Wesley girls. Mazilla. Or Mazilla. Go on.
So the answer is for breaking your food into smaller pieces.
I'm not taking that. For a bonus. So the mazilla is used to direct food to the mandibles, or it's used to manipulate the food to the mandibles. Next set of questions. 10 seconds. And it comes with a preamble. The preamble is explain the following observations. First one, Abetifi. Lithium cannot be stored in kerosene. Go.
This is because lithium is highly reactive, and as a result, when it is not put in kerosene, it will react to form a different compound as a result. The lithium itself can be reacted.
I'm not accepting that. Mfantsiman, I'll come to you later. Alkali metals are very reactive in nature. Go on.
Alkali metals easily release the atoms electrons from atoms and therefore easily react to anything in the environment.
I'm not accepting that. Go on.
So this is because they are highly electropositive elements, and this is due to the fact that they have only one valence electron in their outer shell, and therefore this will give them a lower ionization energy. And also, this due to the fact that there's only one electron in their outer shell, this electron is easily lost to form compounds, and this makes them highly reactive.
I'm not accepting that for your bonus. Your major question. Alkali metals form only monopositive ions.
The alkali metals have only one valence electron, so as such, and they also have a very large size, which results in a low ionization energy. So they tend to lose this alkali electron to form a singly charged positive cation, which is why they are monopositive.
So, Abetifi. Lithium is lighter than kerosene oil, and therefore it floats on the surface of the kerosene. For Mfantsiman, alkali metals are highly reactive because of their large size and low ionization energy or enthalpy. Their reactivity increases on moving down the from lithium to cesium. So Wesley, because you didn't add the last size, that's why I didn't give the bonus to you. And for yours too, the alkali metals, after losing an electron, they are past stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, and hence a very large amount of energy will be needed to pull out the second one. Because of the large amount of energy, they don't have it, so they will be monopositive. Thank you. Last set of questions. And okay, 30 seconds each. Abetifi. Calculate the mass of copper metal produced from a CuSO4 solution by passing 3.00 amperes for 7,250 seconds. Take 1 Faraday to be 96,500 kilo. The mass of copper to be 63.5. And that's of oxygen, I'm sure. Oxygen to be 60. No, please, for a bonus. The right answer, 7.16 grams. Mfantsiman, calculate the time required to deposit 7.00 grams of silver from a solution of AgNO3 with a current of 4.00 amperes. Take 90 grams of water, oxygen to be 60 and silver to be 108. Go on.
1960 seconds.
No, please, for a bonus. The right answer, 1,560 seconds, 1,560 seconds. Wesley girls, calculate the current required to deposit 40.0 grams of gold from AuCl2 solution in 7.00 hours. The mass of gold is 197. And that of chlorine is 95.5. Sorry. So, for bonus, the right answer, 2.33 amperes, and that brings us to the end of round 1. And these 4 masters. So at the end of round 1, Abetifi Presby had 13 points. Mfantsiman had 6 points. Wesley girls had 12 points. So this round is a series. I'm reading sets of questions to you. The first to be the girl gets to answer the question. Correct 3 points, incorrect -1. And please no delays. Thank you. But if you start talking, I won't pause. But if you press, you don't have anything to say, I'll skip. First question. Name the 2 types of cells of the sclerenchymal tissue. Wesley girls. You're right. Next one. What happens to a person who receives the wrong type of blood? You're right. Next one. A gene contains the following sequence: A, T, G, C, G, C, G, A, T, A. Give the complementary sequence Wesley girls.
We have T, A, C, G, T, A, T.
Mfantsiman, no.
T, A, C, Jane, C, T, A, T.
No, please. I complete the question. Give the complementary sequence in MRE.
Now, T, A,
No. The right answer. A, C, G, C, U, A, U. Next set of questions. 30 seconds. Given that g of x is equal to a fraction with an expression in the numerator 3x plus 2 and denominator 2x plus 1. Sorry, we'll read another question. We'll come back to that one. Next one. Evaluate the integral of the expression x minus 1 to the power 3 with lower limit 1 and upper limit 2. Go on.
9.
No, please. The right answer is 1 over 4. Next one. If the average of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is the square of x plus 2, find the possible values of x.
So we have x is equal to negative 2 plus root x, or x is equal to negative 2 minus 6.
No, please. Abetifi.
X is equal to negative 2 plus root 6, or x is equal to negative 2 minus root 6.
Right. Next question. Find the length of the line segments joining the points. Find the length of the line segments joining the points. The point is 4, 10 degrees and 2 root 3, 40 degrees. The right answer is 2 meters. Next set of questions. 30 seconds. A glass capillary tube of uniform cross section of diameter 0.5 millimeters is held vertically with its lower end in water. Given that the surface tension of water is 7.0 by 10 exponents -2 Newton per meter, the contact angle is 0 and the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Calculate the capillary rise. Abetifi.
5.6 by 10x. 5.6 by 10 exponents. -2x.
You're right. Next one. State the units of gravitational constancy.
Kilogram exponent. Newton meter square per kilogram square.
No, please, Wesley girls.
Kilogram raised to the power -1, meter raised to the power 3, second raised to the power -2.
You're right. 50 grams of water at 50 degrees Celsius are added to 20 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius, and the mixture is well mixed. If the container has negligible heat capacity, calculate the final temperature of the mixture. Let's be girls.
70 degrees Celsius.
No, please. Abetifi. No, please. The right answer, 41 degrees Celsius. Last set of questions. What type of intermolecular forces exist in hydrogen peroxide? Abetifi. You're right. Give the chemical formula of the complex iron 3 hexacyanoferrous 2.
Brackets F is into parentheses CN /6. All that -4. Then charge of
No. Right answer. Fe substitute 4 into bigger parentheses. Fe into smaller parentheses. Cn brackets with subscripts, close bigger brackets subscript. Last question. 30 seconds. Two half cells, A+/A and B+/B, where A and B are metals with electrode potentials positive 0.32 and positive 0.80 volts respectively, are used to construct an electrochemical cell. What will be the initial Abetifi.
1.128.
No, please, whoever knows. Wesley girls.
0.48.
You're right. And that brings us to the end of our Thomas, please. Second, is there a second? Thomas, sorry. So at the end of round 2, Mfantsiman had 5 points. Wesley girls had 15 points. And Abetifi Presby had 19 points. Next round, true or false? First question. Our nickel is an alloy containing aluminium, nickel, and cobalt.
True.
You're right. Wesley girls. Staloid is an alloy containing iron and silicon. Go on.
False.
No, it's true. Abetifi. Magnada. I'm taking it. Magnada alloy contains magnesium as one of its constituents. You're right. Mfantsiman. For most chemical reactions, reaction rates mean. I'm taking it again. For most chemical reactions, reaction rates remain fairly constant during the reaction. No, you're right. Wesley girls. Heterogeneous reactions are slower than homogeneous reactions. Go on.
False.
You're right. Abetifi. For a reversible reaction, the activation energies of the following and backward reactions are the same. Go on. No, it's false. Next set of questions. Mfantsiman. The domain of the function and expression is numerator. Square root of, in brackets, x squared minus 5, and denominator 2x squared plus 3x is into curly brackets. X is such that x is a member of all real numbers where x is greater than plus or minus 5. You're right. Wesley girls. The domain of the function 3x all over 2x plus 5 is into curly brackets. X is such that x is a member of all real numbers, where x is not equal to 0 or negative 5. No, you're right. Abetifi. The domain of the function 2x all over square root of an expression in brackets 2x minus 3 is into curly brackets. X is such that x is a member of all numbers except x is less than 3 over 2. Go on. You're right. Next set of questions. Mfantsiman. Every equilateral hexagon is also equiangular. Go on.
False.
No, it's true. Wesley girls. The diagonals of a rhombus are congruent because their sides are congruent. You're right. Abetifi. Every square is a rhombus. Go on. You're right. Next set. Mfantsiman. The highest reservoir of nitrogen on Earth is the soil. Go on.
False.
You're right. Wesley girls. Nitrogen fixation by organisms requires conditions that are anaerobic. Go on.
False.
No, it's true. Abetifi. Nitrogen fixation by bacteria requires the enzyme nitrogen deaminase. Go on. You're right. The bacteria is nitrogen. Nitrogen enzyme. Next set. Mfantsiman. Fishes possess oviduct. Go on.
False.
No, it's true. Wesley girls. Fishes possess urethra. Go on. You are right. Abetifi. Fishes do not possess testes. Go on. No, it's false. Next set. Mfantsiman. Please listen to the question. 1,2-cyclopentane diol can undergo geometric isomerism. Go on.
False.
No, it's true. Wesley girls. 1,4-dibromocyclohexane cannot undergo 6-trans isomerism. Go on.
False.
You're right. Abetifi. Square planar and octahedral complexes undergo geometric isomerism, while tetrahedral complexes do not. Go on. You're right. Last set of questions. Mfantsiman. Consider the reaction A plus B is equal to C plus D. If the activation energy of the forward reaction is 250 kilojoules and the activation energy of the backward reaction is 150 kilojoules, then the foreign reaction is endothermic. Right. Wesley girls. The velocity of a chemical reaction increases with increase in temperature and concentration of reactant molecules. Go on. No, it's true. According to the law of mass action, the velocity of A is directly proportional to the molar concentration of reactants according to the law of mass action. Go on. No, it's true. That brings us to the end of round 3. So at the end of round 3, Mfantsiman had 12 points. Please clap for them. Wesley girls had 22 points. And Abetifi Presby had 26 points. So I'll be reading clues for you. If you answer on the first attempt, it's 5 points. Second attempt, 4. On the third, we'll include thereafter 3 points. And please, this is the last round. So everyone should make an attempt to do well in this round. Forget about the previous rounds and make sure you put your best for the last round. Every round counts. I'm sure you saw about this. First way. I am a 3-digit natural number. I have 15 devices. I am the sum of the powers of 7 from 0. Go on. You are right. That was on the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am a state of decreased physiological activity in an animal. I am associated with reduced metabolic rate. Mfantsiman. No. Abetifi. No. I continue for students. I am an adaptation that enables animals to save energy while avoiding difficult and dangerous conditions. If hibernation and isolation are forms of me, then who am I? Who am I? You're right. Next one. I am an electronic device and has a wide range of useful applications. My threshold voltages are much higher and slightly different for different wavelengths. In me, the upper layer of my p-type semiconductor is deposited by diffusion. Let's go.
That's like
Okay, I'll give it to you. Last riddle. Mention father and son Nobel Prize winners and the science students. Sorry, I think it. Mention father and son Nobel Prize winners and the science students is likely to think of us.
We have J.J. Thompson and George Thompson.
So at the end of the contest, Mfantsiman girls had 12 points. Abetifi Presby had 26 points. And Wesley girls won with 36 points.